Let's clean up our workspace by removing the extra div and styles from the previous lesson. Now let's talk about colors. We already learned how to define text and background colors in CSS. A neat thing about CSS is that it comes with a bunch of predefined color names, like light blue, which makes it super easy to get started. VS Code also has a built-in color picker, which lets you manually fine-tune colors. It automatically formats colors in RGB format. If you want to add transparency, use RGBA, where the fourth value controls opacity. 0 is fully transparent, and 1 will be fully opaque. CSS also supports hex and HLS. Each format has its strengths, but they all achieve the same result. The best practice is always to keep a consistent color scheme. If you're not sure what colors work well together, there are plenty of tools that generate color palettes for you, for example, Color Hunt or Colors.co. Now I'm going to pick some colors from Color Hunt. I like this one and this one, and I will use it as an inspiration for my website. Feel free to choose your own color palette. We are going to use it in the next lesson.